Hi there, I'm Madhavi, your inner voice here just for you. Welcome to your health meditation. Breathe in and out, just relax, let it go, any tension. Just relax. This affirmation will help you focus on positivity and well-being. Find a quiet place, relax, and let these words uplift you. I am strong and healthy. I am strong and healthy. My body heals itself naturally. My body heals itself naturally. I nourish my body with care. I nourish my body with care. Every day I feel more energized. Every day I feel more energized. My immune system protects me. My immune system protects me. I choose habits that support my health. I choose habits that support my health. My body is a temple of well-being. My body is a temple of well-being. I am grateful for my vibrant health. My mind and body are in perfect harmony. My mind and body are in perfect harmony. I radiate vitality and strength. I radiate vitality and strength. I am strong and healthy. I choose habits that support my health. My body heals itself naturally. My body is a temple of well-being. I nourish my body with care. I am grateful for my vibrant health. Every day I feel more energized. My mind and body are in perfect harmony. My immune system protects me. I radiate vitality and strength. I am strong and healthy. My immune system protects me. My body heals itself. I choose habits that support my health. My body is a temple of well-being. I nourish my body with care. I radiate vitality and strength. I am grateful for my vibrant health. Every day I feel more energized. My mind and body are in perfect harmony. May you carry this peace with you wherever you go. And may your heart be filled with love and light. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room and open your eyes. See you next time.